Hello folks and welcome back. On this episode we're going to show you how to replace your sink drain when it starts leaking. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. We were in the middle of our 5-week western excursion this year. We were at Mesa Verde in the campground all set up, and I had to run some water in the sink here, and I heard this tink 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 coming through and realized that the water was dripping down past the sink onto the furnace underneath it. So at that point, what I did is I removed the little door that's right here, and sure enough, this gasket right here that seals up the drain to the sink was leaking by and dripping down onto the furnace. And what I found out is that the nut that holds this drain in was actually worn out over time. So I went to the hardware store in Mesa Verde, and I got just an everyday standard sink drain, because that's all these are. And on the back of it, you'll see that it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to install this. Basically, you're going to use plumber's putty, which I'll show you in just a second, to seal up the top. Then they have a rubber ring seal on the bottom, and then a paper one that allows the nut to turn easy. And then your nut, and then it just goes in your sink and screws right into your drain line. And the instructions on the back here were very simple, very easy to follow. Now this is the plumber's putty. I bought it at the same place at the hardware store, and we'll show you the installation in just a minute. And we did determine that the nut that holds this drain in there, over time the threads had just worn out from bouncing up and down the road so much. I mean, we have over 90,000 miles on this trailer. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get started here with the installation. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your plumber's putty, and you're going to basically roll it down into a little snake and put it all the way around the bottom of your drain. Because of the tightness inside here, you're going to have to put your nut, the paper washer, and the rubber washer on here before you put the sink drain in. Next thing you're going to do is take your drain, center it up on the pipe, and then go ahead and start your pipe onto the drain. You have to do that in here because it's so tight and there's no room to actually put the drain in because the pipe's in the way. The way you're going to do that is just put your drain in here, get it straight, and then slowly tighten this nut up onto your drain. And don't worry about getting it tight yet, because once we get the drain fixed, we'll do it tight. Alright, next thing you're going to do is take your rubber gasket, your paper gasket, and your nut, and you're going to gently slide them up, and you're going to twist your nut on to make sure that, and just be careful to make sure you don't cross thread it. And once you have it on there so it's not cross threaded, it's done right, you can see it spins real easy. And you just want to, don't tighten it up yet, because you got to go up top and center the drain up. So you want to get it close, so like that. And now I'm going to go top and center the drain up. Alright, so just take your drain, center it up. You see me pushing down, and then while you're holding it down up here, you want to take this nut and tighten it up. And just do it by hand till you can't turn it anymore. Then you want to take the drain tool, and I'll put a link for this, and you want to tighten that drain up. Alright, I'm going to have to move the camera because I can't get in here and do both at the same time. Okay, but you're going to use that tool with this little thing to grab the teeth on the nut. See these teeth? You use that little tooth to grab them. and you just want to hold it in place and slowly tighten it down. Still centered?
Yeah.
And you can actually use the drain stopper to help hold the drain. And see how the plumber's putty is oozing out? That's what you want it to do to make a good seal. Next thing we're going to do is actually tighten up the pipe nut, the little white nut that goes to the bottom of the sink drain. And you're going to do this by hand. Do not use a wrench on this. You want to tighten it up to get a nice seal here. And while you're down here, check all these other nuts to make sure they're tight, because over time they do like to loosen up. And you can see that one's all tight. Next thing you want to do is take a pocket knife and a piece of paper towel, and you just want to cut this off. See how I'm cutting that? And then just gently pull it up. Put it in your paper towel. And then take a clean paper towel and just wipe around. Okay? And that is how you replace the drain properly. Alright? See, we'll put water in it. You want to feel around all the way around to make sure it's dry. With the stopper in there, so it builds up water in there to make sure it's dry all the way around. And you see my finger comes out dry, which that's what you want. Okay, then you want to fill your pipes down here, pull your stopper. Nice, turn your water off. Let all that excess water just in there drain out. And you're looking for leaks. And you want to fill all of these joints that you tightened in here, and see they're all dry. Check this one back here, and then you see the paper towel is dry that was underneath there, so I know I fixed my leak. And that's how you replace your drain in the Casita travel trailer. We'll go ahead and just put our door back here, and we're finished. We want to tell you we appreciate you watching, and thank you very much for your support, and we'll see you in the campground.